First of all, with welcome, we request you to please subscribe the channel, push the bell icon, like, and share the video. Turkey's Bayraktar TB3 drone hits Bullseye with MAM-T ammunition. Bayraktar TB3 drone has conducted a firing test using Roketsans MAM-T ammunition, achieving centimeter-level precision as two projectiles struck the same point on the target. The tests also utilized ASELSAN's ASELSAN 500 electro-optical sensor system. The tests, carried out by the third prototype of Bayraktar TB3, are part of final evaluations before the system enters inventory. This unmanned aerial vehicle recently performed landings and takeoffs from the TCG Anadolu amphibious assault ship, showcasing its compatibility with short-runway naval platforms. MAM-T ammunition, weighing 4 times more than the MAML variant, offers a range of up to 80 kilometers depending on altitude and speed, with an Mk81 equivalent warhead for enhanced strike capability. Combined with the ASELSAN 500 system, the platform demonstrated its potential for high-precision targeting during the March 26 flight tests. Bayraktar TB3 remains the only UAV in the world capable of deployment on short-runway ships. The Bayraktar TB3 UCAV successfully took off from the short runway of TCG Anadolu, which is equipped with a 12-degree ramp, on November 19, 2024. After completing a 46-minute test flight at the intersection of the Aegean Sea and the Mediterranean, the aircraft landed back on the same short runway without any landing support equipment, an unprecedented achievement worldwide. Shortly after, the Bayraktar TB3 continued its sea trials, completing a second takeoff and landing sequence aboard TCG Anadolu off the coast of Çanakkale, again without landing support equipment. Baykar's indigenous UCAV, having passed all test parameters, successfully completed the test after cruising at an average altitude of 20,000 feet to new heights with an indigenous engine. On June 25, 2024, the Bayraktar TB3 UCAV successfully passed its high-altitude system performance test at the Baykar Flight Training and Test Center in Kazan, Edirne, reaching an altitude of 36,310 feet. Powered by TEI's indigenous PD-170 engine, Baykar's homegrown aircraft achieved yet another significant milestone. The Bayraktar ikinci UCAV, also developed indigenously by Baykar, currently holds Turkey's altitude record with a remarkable 45,118 feet. 887 plus flight hours. To date, the Bayraktar TB3 UCAV has accumulated 887 hours and 23 minutes of flight time during its test flights. In a long-range flight test on December 20, 2023, the indigenous aircraft remained airborne for 32 consecutive hours, covering a total distance of 5,700 kilometers. Indigenous UCAV, indigenous camera. The Bayraktar TB3 UCAV completed its first flight with ASELSAN's indigenous ASELSAN 500 on March 26, 2024. During the test, the ASELSAN 500 electro-optical reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeting system, which outperforms its global competitors, was successfully integrated into the aircraft. Overseas Force Multiplier. The Bayraktar TB3 UCAV will lead its class with its foldable wings and advanced capabilities. Equipped with Beyond Line of Sight (BLOS) communication, this indigenous aircraft can be controlled from distant locations. With this capability, the Bayraktar TB3 will serve as a force multiplier for Turkey's deterrence, enabling it to conduct reconnaissance, surveillance, intelligence, and strike missions against overseas targets using its smart munitions. About MAM-T ammunition. MAM-T munition was developed for unmanned aerial vehicles and light attack aircraft for use in critical air and ground missions. With its fixed wing structure and improved warhead, MAM-T provides the user with high strike precision and efficiency against fixed and mobile targets at longer ranges. MAM-T ammunition system specifications. Destruction of static and mobile targets through high strike precisions. High blast fragmentation warhead developed in accordance with UAV operational concepts. Increased range through wing addition. High destructive power against critical aerial targets. About Bayraktar TB3. The Bayraktar TB3 UCAV is an armed unmanned aerial vehicle system, currently being developed indigenously by Bayraktar and capable of takeoff and landing on short-runway aircraft carriers. Besides reconnaissance/surveillance and intelligence missions, the Bayraktar TB3 UCAV can launch an assault operation with the smart munitions stationed under its wings. The Bayraktar TB3 can conduct armed operations overseas due in part to custom capabilities, like foldable wings that enable use on aircraft carriers. The Bayraktar TB3 can be operated from very remote distances thanks to its line-of-sight and beyond line-of-sight communications capabilities. Specifications: 8.35 meter length, 14 meters wingspan, 1450 kilograms maximum takeoff weight, 125 knots, 160 knots cruise speed, maximum speed, 280 kilograms payload capacity, 24+ hours endurance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.